13th year in business here, Clear New View window cleaning. Today I'm headed over to a job here in Minneapolis. It's been nice to get to know Minneapolis over the last 12 years. Well, this is a simple job I'm going to do today. It's exterior only, plus screens, and check the gutters to see if they need to be cleaned. They don't have any trees from what I could see on their Google Maps pictures, so they probably don't actually need gutter cleaning, but they thought they might. I got another job booked for the beginning of the second week in April. Decent job, a couple of days. And then I got some work already pre-scheduled for May. Quite a few jobs up on the North Shore. We do cater to the North Shore, like all up north of Duluth, up the coast there on Lake Superior. Got quite a few clients up there. And we've also got some customers up in Nisswa, Minnesota, up on Gull Lake, north of Brainerd. Give you a peek of the house. This is the house. We're going to check out the gutters. Kind of high, exterior only, plus screens for window cleaning. Find the output. Where's the output? Oh, it's way over there. No surprises from Old Man Winter. Guess I did a good job winterizing everything. Let's see what we got here. 6, 6, 5. That's good. 5, 5. 4. Hey, yeah, we're getting there. 4. 3. There's 3. This will make clean windows. 3. 2. Okay, good enough for me. Now we can go clean gutters. Get in there. There. Nice and safe. Nice and safe. All right. Always 3 points of contact. Nice and safe, no big hurry. Okay, you can see the gutters now. Oh yeah, I couldn't see what was going on. Get all this nasty stuff done before we clean the windows. Got a firm grip on the gutter. Pretty compact. The sheet metal's sharp. You can cut yourself open pretty easy on it if you're in too big of a hurry. Ouch. Here I am trying to be careful and I'm already bleeding a little bit. Screw heads, like sheet metal screw heads, and the sharp corners of the sheet metal. One of them will get you. It's hard to avoid. Okay. Job done right with the right tools. Come up here with the hose and just rinse it really, really, really good. Since I have the ability to do that real quick. Whoa. Okay. Lovely. Yep, we got some there to get out.
I do it to where the customer knows for sure that it's clean as a whistle. That's what I do. I'd rather get repeat customers. I got people right now just told me they want another home clean because I did a great job on their cabin. That's what I like. I don't have to look for work. It looks for me. I got busy cleaning gutters and I didn't get to this, but we'll get it done now and then we'll clean the outside windows. By the time the windows are clean, the screens will be ready to go back in. This really is the icing on the cake. Nice clean screens, basically invisible when they're clean good. I like to scrub them really good. That's the main kitchen one there. Okay, so I got the outside cleaned. Customer said it looks really good. So I trust it looks really good. Gutters are clean. Windows are clean on the outside. House cleaner's here. Gotta put the screens back. They should be close to dry right now. You can see the glimmer in the glass. Nice and clean. It's looking good. Go get the screens, put those back, and that'll be that. Nice day's job.